So, guess who I bumped into at the supermarket?
St. Patrick.
I see we took our happy pill today. Danny. He said hello to me. Naturally, I ignored him. So guess what he does? He starts screaming at the top of his lungs. Hello, hello. Like a lunatic. I got the hell out of there. I'm sorry, that guy is a maniac. You don't suppose that he was like hitting on me, do you? No, I mean to get back at you, that sort of thing.
Speak of the devil.
Could you stop following me around? I don't want to have to start drinking in the suburbs.
I love you.
Oh, let's not get corny, please.
I love you.
I'm going home.
Deb, wait.
Just get away from me or I'm gonna call a
I
cop!
love you.
5 months we were together and you couldn't say it. So just knock it
I
off!
said it. I did say it.
Once, but you didn't even mean it!
I did mean it. I love you.
It'll pass!
No, it won't. I miss you. I miss what we had.
We had nothing.
That's not true. It was the best.
We had nothing. We had good sex.
Don't say that. I love you.
Oh, shit. You don't know what love is. You've gotten everything that you always wanted. And now you feel sorry for yourself because there's something you want and you can't have it. But you had it. I gave you love. But you asked me to leave and I left.
Hey, let's talk about it. Can we have a cup of coffee?
Dan, it's taken me a long time to get over this. And it was so hard, but I did it.
Please. Please.
Dan, get on with your life. It's over.
Got an obsession, something